racing, and out fast My Boy Bingo, showing speed to lead Teresa Sparkles early. She's punching up on the fence. Out wide of Power and Glory. He's looming large. Then came Teresa Sparkles and Foreign Capital. Back on the inside, Kenya Sapphire, Smooth Plane. Getting a long way back now is Daisy's Rory and Zipping Aerial. Off the back on Power and Glory. He motored away. He's out by 6 lengths on the home corner. Power and Glory. Glorious greatness on the biggest stage on the world. He went by 7 lengths. Second into Teresa Sparkles. Smooth Plane got third. Then a breakaway in the race then to My Boy Bingo, followed by Kenya Sapphire, Daisy's Rory, Zipping Ariel, and 29.15 equal PB. Number 5, Power and Glory for Ken Burnett and Jeff Eastman have won the $1 million chase by 7 1/4 lengths. 1.5 between second and third. 5.45, 13.68, 17.64, home in 11.51, 29.15. He was just too close to the speed tonight, and he's absolutely spanked them in the $1 million chase. I hooked on the Scotch at a Quang Magic, welcome December 2021, makes it 18 wins from 35 starts. Second to Teresa Sparkles, she's game in defeat. Smooth Plane, the Victorian, runs third, and My Boy Bingo, he led them up, runs fourth. On the $1 million chase, 5, 2, 7 and 3.